Hello India, a very warm welcome to our very fascinating and fantastic program Campus Debate. As you know, this is your wonderful, stunning and gorgeous host Seema Kushwaha with you from Speakwell. As you know, the population of our country has been a very big concern for us. The population of our country has been a very big concern for us. It is heard that India would be the most populous country in the world in 2025. So here I am at Sri Bapu Intermediate College, where we have with some elegant girls and energetic and enthusiastic boys who are going to talk about is increasing population is boon or ban for us. So let's start by asking, so how many people would think that increasing population is ban for us? Kindly raise your hand. So Ms. Divya, what's your think about increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us?
If I frankly say that then increasing of population is banned for us, because if population is increased, then people faces a lots of problems such as land shortage problems, water problems, environment problems. Because if population will increase, then absolutely people make the industries, houses, shops, and many more things whatever they want. And if this increase, then there is a shortage of lands. By this, farmers will not able to grow the crops. If crop is not not grow, then where our country's people eat food, and if they can't eat food and not able to get a sufficient food, then he can't do our works. By this way, if these people not work, then our economic will not development. And apart from this, you also know about here many people are traveling one place to another in a more. If in this way our trains, buses carries more passengers, by this way is cases of accident. And addition to this, if you take the example of joint family and single family, you also know in a joint family people have a loss of burden, but in a single family people get all the facilities. So just like that, if population will increase, then people don't get a suitable facility. But if population will decrease, then every people get a suitable facility. So in the light of this brief, I must say that population is banned for us.
So Ms. Divya, some people think that if population will increase, then our economy will grow. Then what do you think about this?
No, miss. If population will increase, then our economic won't grow. Because if population will increase, then every people have some problems like jobs problems. And I also tell about the land. If land is not done, no people is able to do anything. So I can say that means our economic will not grow. About population is grow.
Thank you, Ms. Divya, for your valued opinion. Now I would like to move on, Mr. Prince. So, Mr. Prince, what's your thought on increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us?
If I frankly say, then it is banned for us. Why I'm saying, let me explain. Nowadays, due to population, people have to face lots of problems like as poverty, unemployment, and natural problem. If I talk about the poverty, then nowadays due to population, many people they are not able to do any work. And if population will increase, then also competition will be increased. If competition will be increased, then which person who doesn't have any talent, then they are not able to that work. And as a result of in India, 53% people are poor and unemployment. And if we are talking about the natural problem, if I talk about the natural problem, then due to, in India there is no any field where lots of trees. And after seeing that, many people say that in a coming time there is no any field where lots of tree. And if the tree is not in our land, then we can't get easily oxygen and many more things. And if oxygen will not, then how can we live? As keeping this all point into my account, I feel that a population is banned for us.
So thank you, Mr. Prince, for your wonderful opinion. Let's move to the other person, who is Miss Pallavi. So Miss Pallavi, what's your idea about increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us?
I think population is banned for us.
Why?
Because in our India have 4.2% of world's total land, and and if I frankly say, then 18% of world's population live in India. Then if population will increase, then absolutely there are shortage of land, and we have only 4% of pure water to drink. Then if population increase, then absolutely there is lack of water. And there is also a competition will increase. I mean, for one farmer, lots of people are free, and then only few people are select in them. And by this way, peoples which are not like then is face a problem of unemployment, and then they have also faced the problem of poverty. And you know that if population will increase, then people are absolutely need home, and they make home by the cutting of tree, and by this way it's affect our environment. So I feel that population is banned for us.
So Ms. Pallavi, some people think that if population will increase, then they bow many trees. Then what's your think about that?
So they, if there is, so as she said that there is shortage of land, then if population will increase, absolutely they made home. Then if they make house and home, then how the tree will grow? There is no any place for trees. Then I feel that tree are not. If population increase, then tree are not planted.
Thank you, Ms. Pallavi, for your lovely opinion. Now I would like to turn to Mr. Sajid. So, Mr. Sajid, do you agree with her statement?
Yeah, Miss, I am agree with his statement.
Why?
Because means if I frankly said that, then we have only some land, and that lands means if we talk about population, then India is the second largest population country of the world, and we have only near about 33 lakh kilometer square land, and in that land near about more than 139 crore people lives. And means if I frankly said that, then means if we can't control our population, then in the coming time means next generation there is no any place where we have to stand. And means firstly means and at last I would like to tell you, in the last year in 2020 near about 27 millions of people are increased, and means in a per day near about 77,000 of people increase. If that people is increased continuously, then absolutely in the future time we have face a lots of problem.
Thank you, Mr. Sajid, for your valid opinion. Now I would like to focus on Mr. Nikhil. So, Mr. Nikhil, what's your opinion about increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us?
If I frankly said that is increasing population is banned for us. Why I am saying that I have lots of reasons. So let me tell you. If I frankly said that many people are saying that due to means our population will be increased, then means our technology will be increased. So I think that is totally wrong, because when means our population will be increased, then our technology is increased. But that due to that our means radiation will be increased, and due to that many birds will be killed, and due to that our national means our natural will be will be damaged. And if our nature will be damaged, we can't live. And if I talk about Mr. Prince is also said that due to population, means unemployment will be increased. And if unemployment will be increased, then means a lots of people are means unemployment, and due to that a lots of people are killed. And also Miss Pallavi said that due to that means our land will means there is short land, means we have short land, and if population will be increased, then we don't have means we don't have area to step our food. So keeping this all point, I think that population is banned for us.
Thank you, Mr. Nikhil, for your wonderful opinion. Now I would like to focus on Mr. Syam. So, Mr. Syam, what's your thought about increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us?
If I frankly say, then population is banned for us. Why I'm saying, let me explain. You know, actually the birth rate is greater than death rate. That's why the world is overpopulated, and overpopulation is a cause for the world. You know, with the overuse of coal, oil and natural gas, it has a producing more such a serious effect on our environment due to population. And if population increase, then absolutely industries will increase to feed the country and to meet the needs of people. And you also know the industries has badly effect on our environment. And if I talk about if I talk about unemployed, then when a country becomes overpopulated, then it gives a rise in unemployment, and as there are few jobs to support a large number of people. And if I talk about the water, then in our country, in our world, 1% of the water is fresh. And if population increase, then how we can feed the water to everyone. And so, keeping these all points in my account, I believe that population is banned for us.
Thank you, Mr. Syam, for your lovely opinion. Now I would like to move on. Sumit, what's your idea about increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us?
From my perspective, I think that population is really so bad for us, and it is not boon. Why I'm saying like this, let me explain. Well, if I talk about means bad effect of population, then the bad effect of population is that means everybody want to adjust themselves at anywhere where they are just cutting the trees, and due to deforestation means we are not getting freely oxygen, and also carbon dioxide is increasing. That as everybody intake intake oxygen and out carbon dioxide. And means if the trees will be cut out, then it means if carbon dioxide will increase in our atmosphere, then greenhouse effect will increase. And means greenhouse effect is really so harmful for us, and also it is so harmful for our earth. And if I talk about means another example, then another example is that means also due to the population, we are not getting means better facilities, as our government is not able to means give better facilities to the poor people, and that's why poverty is also increasing. And also our government says that means we two and out two, if we follow this rule, then we can decrease population, but we can never stop population, because if population will stop, then absolutely one by one everybody means each people will die, and if each people will die in earth, then our earth will be lifeless. So in the light of this point into my account, I think that population is really so bad for us.
So thank you, Mr. Sumit, for your kindful opinion. Now I would like to focus on Mr. So Mr., what's your idea about increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us?
If you ask me, then I will say that the population explosion is banned for us.
Why?
Why I'm saying this, there are lots of reasons behind it. Like if population explosion is large, then many people will turn toward and do illegal activities like employment and poverty, which is leads to the waste of manpower. And in addition to this, population explosion is the sudden growth of the population, and over a short span of the time, this is the one of the major reason. And due to this, earth is losing its balance, and if we don't control it, then earth is absolutely less its balance. And you should know that means India is the second country after China, which population rate is 1039 billion. And if we don't control it, then we absolutely beat the China in 2025. And now keeping this all points into my account, I must say that population explosion is banned.
Thank you, Mr., for your valid opinion. Now, let's move to the other person, who is Mr. Vikas. So, Mr. Vikas, what's your opinion about increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us?
If I frankly say, then increasing population is boon for in our life. Why am I saying that? I have a lot of reason behind it. You know, if the population will increase, then the main reason is that technology will increase. And if the technology will increase, then many people are saying that how we can increase our technology. In India, a lot of people are living. Many people, and India is the highest second country which have a lot of population. But I would like to say that I just want to say that if our intelligence will increase and if the technology will increase, then also no any work which the people don't like do, which can easily do but through the intelligence. And the people believe that if the population will increase, then accident chance will get so faster. But I would like to say that if our technology will increase, then we can control the accident through the sensor. Our technology feed the each and every car sensor, and through the sensor we can also save the accident. And if I talk about the population, then take the example of this tree. If this tree has a lot of leaves, that's why we are able to save with the shadow. And if I frankly say, suppose that this tree has only few leaves, then how we can here able to get the shadow? This is the reason that if India have a lot of population, then we can grow our country, and through the intelligence we are also able to do many extra things which can develop our country. And well, many people are just find about if our population will increase, then there is nothing place where we can live. But I would like to say that the answer is technology. In this time, our technology will also find that in another planet. And the people question is that what we need to spend money. But I would like to say that if we don't spend our money, then we are just look like a olden time, just like ancient time. And in this time, why we are called the modern time? Just because of money. In this time we spend money, that's why we can grow our life, and that's why we believe that increasing population is boon for in our life. And that's why I also against that people who people just believe that population is banned for in our life.
Thank you, Mr. Vikas, for your lovely opinion. Now I would like to focus on Mr. Sujit. So, Mr. Sujit, what's your idea about increasing population? Is it boon or ban for us? How do you feel?
So, miss, if I frankly say, then I want to say that population is boon for us, because there are lots of reason behind it. Because you can see you can see that there are lots of people in the India who used to go in the foreign country to earn money, and in the foreign country, means the master of that company, they have to spend more and more money to give the money to our means Indian, and with that they have to get some loss, but then also they have to call us because their population is no high, and they give the money money to their country's people to burn any children. Why? If anyone don't want to increase the population, then I don't feel that any countries that president give money to burn the children. And if I frankly say, then in our India, as Mr. Sumit said that our Modi ji has said that we too are true. But I want to tell him that just our Modi ji family, his uncle is four brother, and his uncle's son is four brother, and as well their family is so big. And with that, if the family of our PM won't if just the family of our PM won't follow him, then how can any Indian will follow it? And with that, just our that population is increasing, and as a result of, I say that population is boon for us.
Thank you, Mr. Sujit, for your lovely opinion. Well, guys, thank you for joining us and speaking about this topic with us. This is Seema Kushwaha with camera person Deepak Yadav. Thank you. Bye.